So I made a video showing you guys how to skip ads. This was just based on refreshing the page again and again and again so that the ads would fail. It's got one of two adverts here, you can see. And if I just press play and just press Command R, there we go, no adverts. Sometimes it plays the advert again and you just press Command R, which is refresh, and you keep doing that until no adverts. Now that still works sometimes, but sometimes it doesn't. And today I'm going to be showing you an even better method. So here you can see that we have a video and we have the ad, loading or whatever. If we actually just click on share and we click on embed, what will happen is it will have this video here, and naturally it doesn't have any ads actually embedded into the video when it's like this. So this pretty much always works. If we click play, we can watch it like this and there'll be no ad, and we can also put it in full screen and we can watch the video as normal. Some YouTube features and functions don't actually work like this. That's the trade-off. You don't get the actual normal player, but you can skip the ads this way and it always works. You just go to share, embed, and then watch the video as normal. Aside from that, a legitimate way to remove the ads, if you go to the sidebar here and you scroll down, you can click on YouTube Premium, and then you can actually get a free trial for a month, which is also cool as well if you don't want to do that share method. And then there is obviously a paid plan as well that you can do. I don't know if YouTube are aware of this or if they're going to patch this up at some point, but I've been doing this for quite a while and it works very well for me. If you found this video useful, please hit that subscribe button and comment below what you want to know next.